Hello everyone and welcome back to another Gunpla Haul unboxing. The first one of 2023. Normally I put the box up here, but it ain't fitting. A little bit tall. So I'm just gonna cut this baby open and then we'll get into it. Give me 1 minute. Alright, one of the bigger hauls I've had in a while. Gonna take a little while to go through it, but it gets better as we go along. Let's start off with the one kit I've actually already reviewed, because my friend has this kit, and I just never managed to get around to getting one until now. The high-grade Dom Rick Dom. Like I said, I already reviewed this, but I will actually be fully painting the red on the inside of the legs on mine. And I will probably make it the Rick Dom, since my friend has 3 Doms because black Tri-Stars. It does mean I have to paint the beam bazooka, don't I? I think. Yes. Oh well, I have an airbrush. That can be arranged. Next up, I have the Alto ground type, the olive one. Yeah, this is definitely the Alto. Honestly, I really wish they'd sold these parts on their own, but not gonna complain. Nice to have one of these. I'll probably end up mashing the parts with the Spinatio Army type to make a bulkier one or something. I don't know, I'll figure something out. I am happy to have it though. Very good looking kit. Next up, Mashimaru's Zaku III. There's no high grade Hamahama, this is the best I can get. There's also no high grade Dimok, but hey, I may or may not have Chara Soon's other suit coming. I figured I might as well get one of each, right? I already have the regular Zaku III, the white one, but I really wanted this one because it's the funny man. Just as much paint. Oh, thank God the head is different, though. Still have the little seam on the nose, but at least the main head doesn't have one running up the middle. What are those even for? the toes, maybe? I don't know. Hopefully the paint on this isn't too bad. Little Xeon logo there, that's easy enough to paint. Not too many hollowed out parts. Most of the seams are actually better on this than the regular one. Thank God these parts are color separated. I mean, I have to paint a bunch of stuff anyway, but still. You know, I'm pretty sure this isn't supposed to be blue. Oh yeah, this is during the era where they just kind of... Well, some of it needs to be blue, so we'll just do all of it, yeah. Wait, did they... Oh, come on, Bandai. Yeah, so that's gray plastic that needs to be painted. A little bit more work than I was expecting, but hey, I don't mind. Obviously, I'm not doing pre-shading, but I'll at least get it closer. The light green looks good, though. Give it a matte finish, it'll look fine. Yeah, the work doesn't look too bad for this. Why don't they have one of those flip down in this image? It doesn't matter. Yeah, that is just completely the wrong gray, though. I'm gonna be doing a lot of airbrushing on this. Oh well. I'm just happy to have it, to be honest. Next up, another kind of crusty kit, but one that I've wanted for a while, and it was in stock, so I said, screw it, I'll get it. The Ewac Zack. Because I love how ridiculous this design is. Another double Zeta suit, thinking about it. And yeah, gotta paint that. I mean, it comes with a sticker, but I'm not using the sticker, come on. Gotta paint all the tracks for the mono eye, but that's fine. The rifle needs to be completely painted. You guys already had gray on the runner. I don't know why you couldn't have just made it the actual right color, but whatever. His hands are so loose it doesn't really matter anyway. The chest vents are separated. Wait. Okay, so the reason the rifle is blue is because this is reusing the runner from the regular Dijeh Zack. And on the regular Dijeh Zack, this stuff is gray. I feel like, considering these points, they probably could have just molded this all in gray and just asked you to paint that, but whatever. I think this runner is just taken directly from the Dijeh Zack as well. Yeah, because the front skirt can't be separated. That's definitely the original Dijeh Zack. Most of this is just the original Dijeh Zack. It even has the original head over here. The instructions bent up. That's mildly concerning. You know, to be fair, the paint on this doesn't actually look that bad. Aside from having to paint the rifle, it's actually fairly color correct. Granted, it's mostly the Dijeh Zack, but the Dijeh Zack actually requires more color correction than this one. Mostly because this one doesn't have the red in that on the toes down here. Yeah, that needs to be painted blue. Again, I'm honestly just kind of happy to have this at all. I like the suit design. I need to get another Gelgoog to paint blue. I mean, I have a cannon, but I'd rather just get the regular star one. Honestly, I think it's slightly cheaper anyway, and a lot more easy to get. Next up, we have the Dijeh. A lot of the kits left are Zeta, actually, thinking about it. I've wanted this kit for a long time. I just haven't been able to get around to actually getting it. I have Yakushiki, Zeta Revive, Mark II Revive, and Double Zeta. I have the whole Shangri-La nail Argama crew. I figured I might as well get Amuro's suit too. You know, I didn't notice this has the exact same weapons as the Hyakushiki. Like, I knew they were similar, I just didn't realize they were identical. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is literally using the runner from that kit. Yeah, the stickers are pretty minimal. I'm not even really sure where these yellow ones go, actually. Oh, that is the exact same shade of teal as the Walker Gallia. Like, identical. Huh. Nagi the parts. Yeah, those are on that too. rubbery bits for the cables. The binders, and yeah, there's the other shield. Okay, this rifle has the blue too, so yeah, I just need to paint this identically to how I painted the Yakushigi rifle. Oh, that's what those stickers are for. It's for the shoulder shield. They have little yellow stripes on it. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, good articulation, good color separation. This is just a good kit. Not the easiest thing in the world to get back in the box, though. Next up, another Zeta kit. A big one, the Byarlant. And when I mean big, I mean big. This is a huge suit, and honestly just a really cool design. I know you have to paint the gray on the hand, but that's, I mean, how the hell would they have separated that? Yeah, most of the red is separated, which is really nice. Yeah, those are the hands. Gotta paint the gray there, but that's completely fine. I might end up just using that sticker. I don't normally mind painting black, but when it's just gonna be that on top of black anyway, I might as well just use the sticker, right? And metallic stickers are usually... not really sure what the yellow ones are for. Well, the big ones are for the toes, and the smaller ones are for the shoulders, or the rear binders. Okay, that's easy to paint. They definitely could have made the ones on the toes separate, though. Yeah, this center strip in the middle here needs to be painted yellow. It's not a big deal. Literally the same runner twice there. Master grade beam sabers. Like I said, this thing is big. There's all the hoses. The last couple parts over here, all the gaps, and the instructions. A lot of runners in this one. Alright, next up, another fairly large high grade. The G-Armor. And I have to admit, I pretty much bought it exclusively for this. The G-Sky is so stupid, I love it. I will be painting the pilot figure. This is based heavily on the old high-grade Gundam. Like, a lot of the parts are very similar. But it does have slightly better articulation, and it has a ton of weird stuff going on. Like the feet being split down the middle. I'm not going to remove that seam, you're not going to be able to see it how I display it. The old stand that it has, because it actually does come with a stand. Blue bits. There's the adapter for the core fighter. Parts from the the original kit. You can see the original feet there. They mostly just give you this so you can use the parts. Huh, okay, so they actually did plan ahead there. The cutoffs here, this is specifically for the G-Armor. More parts from the original there. Easy enough to work with. A couple of nasty seams, but not like it matters for what I'm using it for. I already have some experience with this, not this exact mold, but with the original Gundam mold because of the G3 2-pack that my friend got like a year ago now or something. I don't mind painting the few things that it needs. But I have to admit, I'm really happy to have this. I'm excited to build this one. It's just so odd. I'm gonna try and paint the core fighter at least, but white on red is not gonna be fun. Again, like I said, I pretty much just bought it for this. And, I don't know how long this is gonna be once I've edited it down, but the final kit, and the biggest one, and just... ooh. Yeah, I got the Boundock after like a year. It was finally cheap enough that I could justify getting it. This thing is enormous. Look at the size of these parts. Look at the size of the skirt parts. This is absolutely ridiculously massive. And also it does come with an Action Base 5. More Master Grade Beam Saber effects. Pretty much just the gray parts in here. Ooh, I am excited to build this. I don't know if I have enough room to actually have a group shot this time. I'll see what I can do, but let's just try and wrap this up, I guess. Alright, hopefully I've got a picture of at least most of it in frame. I don't know if I'm going to be doing weekly reviews this year. I kind of need to cut back a bit, just the Canadian economy's kind of in the toilet right now. I can't be spending as much money as I have in the past couple of years on Gunpla. I mean, I have a Patreon, but nobody's giving me any money, so all these purchases are coming out of my own pocket. Which is fine, it just means I have to be more sure that I want a kit before I order it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Join the Discord, by the way. I made a video, that was like the last video I made before I took a vacation, but it's got like 60 views at the moment for some reason. I don't know what happened there, but join the Discord. It's a little bit dead at the moment, but that's because there's not that many people that are active there right now. Again, 60 views on the video. Subscribe, hit the bell if you haven't. Leave a comment down below on what you think. Let me know what you're excited to see reviewed. Go follow me on Twitter for as long as that's still around. And, as always, until next time, happy building.